Receiving tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon each Wednesday. This radio station, WN6 735, serves the following counties in East Central Ohio: Carroll, Coshocton, Germany, Harrison, Holmes, Stark, Tuscarawas, and Wayne. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
Not only are you guys late, but you completely screwed up your script. Just wow.
Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Weather map. A cold front will sluggishly move southeast this morning before stalling over central Ohio by afternoon.